Beginning today, it'll be easier for people in our area to get access to high-tech 3D printers. Mojo Coworking in downtown Asheville unveiled its new 3D innovation lab. The lab is a partnership with the Van Winkle law firm. The company says 3D printers are a way to speed up creativity and productivity for local businesses, entrepreneurs, and students.
Anybody with an idea can come in, design it either here or at home, and then actually print it out in full plastic reality.
Mojo Coworking will also offer classes and demonstrations for the 3D printers. For more details, you can go to WLOS.com and click on news links.